Have you ever wanted to be born with different colored eyes? Well, now that dream can become your reality. Now, let's be real. As women, we all want things a little differently than we were born with. Maybe we dye our hair color. Maybe we put on foundation. Maybe we put on a little bronzer, a little fake tan, a little false lashes, something. But have you ever wanted to be born with different colored eyes? Actually, now there's a beauty product for that. I am so excited to share with you today. This is my first gifted collab. I just received this in the mail, and this is from the brand Just4Kira, and it comes with a stunning, beautiful packaging. They have been in the business for 7 years. They are supposed to have made incredible quality colored contact lenses. A little backstory here first. Take it from somebody who actually used to have to wear colored contacts every single day for their job. Back when I was a Disney performer, it was part of my costume that I was playing someone who needed to have different colored eyes than I did. I went through an entire process. We went to a doctor. We got me the perfect colored contacts that I was using day in and day out, multiple times a day for years on and off. So I felt like this collab was something I was uniquely qualified to touch on. I know this is so popular and part of Asian beauty's day-to-day beauty routine, and I think that is so fantastic. My friend just got back from China and said they even have standalone stores for colored contacts. I think it's something so unique and so beautiful, and the eyes are the windows to our soul, so it makes sense that we want to do everything to enhance them. So I'm so excited to really dive into this today and to test these out. From somebody who's worn colored contacts for so long every single day, I'm so excited to give you my thoughts and tell you if they're comfortable, if they work. And without further ado, let's get on into it. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a beautiful black box, and then when you open it up, oh my gosh, how cute! So they sent me a bunch of their colors to try on, and they all come with their individual packaging. And guys, the packaging feels really luxe. It is 3D embossed here. Oh my goodness. So they have the color on the side here so that you don't get confused. It also comes with a beautiful how-to guide that's laminated. This is really, really great. So if you've never put these in before, it gives you a how-to guide. Then oh my gosh, how thoughtful. They sent me 4 colors, and it comes with their own case and an actual application stick, so that hygiene is our #1 priority and is key. That is so incredibly thoughtful. It says these are good for up to half a year. I'm so excited. Okay, which one should we try first? Let's try Iris Brown. Now, I didn't get any crazy colors because #1, I think brown eyes are stunning. I think they are chocolate and beautiful and gorgeous, and I've always wanted to see myself with them. But second of all, I wanted to actually test out if you were going to apply these in your everyday life. I know that some can look a little bit costumey and a little bit fake and a little bit cartoony, and that's not something I wanted to do here. I really wanted to see, can you implement these to enhance your natural beauty? So I got some really hopefully natural but beautiful colors to try on. So the first one we're going to try this is Iris Brown. Be careful when you open these. If you press down too hard on these, the contact solution will just squirt everywhere. Oh, I see. So each individual packet actually only comes with 1 contact. I'm so excited. I have not put in contacts in so long. Let me go wash my hands. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Wow. I will say, compared to the other ones I've tried, it's a very big contact, meaning it takes up a lot of space on your eyeball. Wow. Do I look like I'm related to Edward Cullen or what? I'm freaking out. I love them. I'm being so for real right now. I'm having so much fun. Okay. They actually come in a beautiful little case, and it comes with a remover actually and an applicator as well. So that is super, super wonderful and sanitary, and they all come with their own. So far, I am so impressed. Let's try on the next color. So this color is Iris Brown. And they go in the little case like this. It has a left and a right, so you don't forget which eye you're putting them in. That's very important, because these are supposed to be reusable for, I think, up to half a year. It said something crazy like that. So they're not like false eyelashes. They're a really good investment. You're going to get a lot of use out of them. Let's try on Icy Blue. Okay, so this is the color Icy Blue. Right off the bat, they are very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. They're not blurry, and the quality is really, really incredible. They're not like pixelated and printed on the contact that kind of looks like a computer tried to paint a version of someone's eye with like square pixels. They're very, very beautiful. It almost looks like they're hand painted. I'm sure they're not, but the quality is really gorgeous, so that even a crazy color like this, stepping back if nobody knew you, looks as natural as possible. And I'm obsessed. I kind of feel like Jennifer Aniston though. Like, let's do my other brown color now. This is Crystal Brown. I know everybody just wants what they can't have. Like, I've never had brown eyes, and I just kind of want to know what it's like to be a chocolate goddess. Ooh, I really like these. Ooh, I really, really like these. Ooh, these are stunning. Okay, so they look so natural. This is the color Crystal Brown. You would never be able to tell this isn't my natural eye color, but it's kind of giving Carrie Underwood. Like golden, you kind of don't know like what color to place your eyes, but these are so beautiful. I really enjoy these. These are like what my eyes would be like, but darker, and they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Last one. I'm glad to know that putting in and taking out contacts is a skill I still have, because I haven't used it in a while. I knew that was gonna happen. You know, it would be so much fun is if I did some celebrity recreations. If you have any good ideas or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. I would love to do that. So apparently there was an open tab the whole time on the other side that I just was ignoring and making life apparently a lot harder for myself. That's so awkward. Ooh. These are gonna be wild. Okay, hang on. Wow. Oh my gosh, I feel like I shouldn't even look at you. These are like so intense. Okay, these are the colors Stella Gray. Basically, I'm obsessed overall. That is such a win. What a fantastic company. I'm so excited they reached out to me and I've partnered with them. That just makes me so happy. Thank you so much to the folks over at Just4Kira for sending me all this. This was so incredibly wonderful, and for gifting me these products. I've had so much fun today. If you want to have just as much fun as I've been having and enhance your natural beauty look, use code SOPHIE222 at checkout and you will get 20% off your whole order at Just4Kira. I also have a bunch of buy one get one coupons for you down in the description box below. All of the info and the link to Just4Kira will be down in my description. This has just been another fun way for you to go ahead and live your life more beautifully. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you in the next one.